Get into it. Like I said, how much YouTube will pay you once you get monetized and have 8,000 views? That's what this video is about. Because when the analytics kick in for the monetization, it took some time before it's got through all the videos that I've done, and it goes through the videos and it start the monetization process. And I said I'm gonna share it with the My Time community, but I'm not just gonna share it with the My Time community. I'm gonna share it with you also if you're not in the My Time community, because I'm here to help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And I said if you grow your life, your channel got no other reason not to grow. That's why my channel grew in these 5 months, just 5 months ago. Because when I said I'm gonna relaunch the channel, I said I'm gonna be serious. It doesn't matter if I'm not getting no views in the beginning. It doesn't matter if I get low views in the beginning. I'm going to keep on pushing on until this YouTube channel get monetized. And it got monetized in 5 months. And that's why I'm here to show you everything that happened within these 5 months. I'm getting paid from YouTube. Now let's get into the analytics, because like I said, 8,000 views. And as you can see here, it's 8,400 views. 8,400 views. And it's only been a week. See, February 23rd to March 3rd. I went to the 23rd because it's actually the 24th, but I went one day back to show you when it started for a whole 7 days. And for the whole 7 days, I got 8,000 views the first week of monetization. 8,400 views. And I'm saying to myself, wow, that's how much I got? How much I'm going to get paid? But these views came from just one video. One video. And I'm telling you, YouTube pays crazy for these videos. For the advertisers to come in and say, oh, I want to go to My Time community to watch his videos. And then if I like his videos, I'm going to advertise on his channel. That blew my mind. But the first week, I got 8,400 views doing monetization. That's new subscribers, old subscribers, and I'm going to show you that also. New subscribers and old subscribers. So it's 8,000 views that I've got the first week. Now for the impressions, when we're talking about impressions, impressions mean how many people saw that video during this time period. The time period is February 23rd to March 3rd, 123,000, let's say 124,000. 124,000 people saw that video. 124,000. So that means 124,000 people who never saw me before saw my video. So if they never saw me before, that means the My Time community information is getting out to 124,000 people. And out of the 124,000 people, 8,400 people watched the video. That's what I'm telling you. It's not just about being monetized. It's about getting your message out. Once you get your message out, you're getting people to see you, and not just see you, to hear you. Not only to hear you, to feel you. And once they feel you and hear what you got to say, and they see it coming out of you, they're going to go and watch your video every time you release a video. So that's what the impressions. The impression is how many times your video thumbnails were shown to viewers, including only impressions on YouTube, not on external sites or. So like I said, that's how many people saw it. Impressions mean how many people was impressed to click your video, but they might not have clicked it. Only 8,400 people clicked it. So impressions, that's what impressions mean. Impressions click-through rate means, like it says up here, you can read it for yourself, but basically is how many people click that thumbnail or click the image to watch the video. 5.6%. Let's just say 6%. 6% of the 123,000 or 124,000 people click the video, click the thumbnail to watch the video. And that's 8,400 people in 1 week. Yeah, I know some people got 100,000 views in a week. Some people got 100,000 views in 2 or 3 days, depending on how big the community is. But for me, just starting out 5 months ago, that's big for me. That's why I'm showing you how much money YouTube will pay you for 8,000 views once you get monetized. And they saying the click-through rate, you get an average click-through rate 3.5. That's really good. That's what your goal is. I got a click rate 5.6. What is that saying? What is that saying? That's saying I'm doing something right. That's saying you can do something right once you realize what you have to do to make your YouTube channel grow. And I want you to understand, if you do these things to make your channel grow, your monetization will come faster. It took me 5 months to get monetized. I thought it was going to take longer. People saying, oh, it's going to take months and years, you might get monetized. It might take you 18 months to average. It might take you a year. It took me 5 months. I'm not saying that to impress you. I'm saying that to impress upon you that it's possible. It's possible for you. And what you have to do, you got to keep posting until something happens. Keep posting until some. Matter of fact, type in the comment section, hashtag push. Push means post until something happens. Hashtag push. And now let's go to the average viewer duration. That just means how long did the average person watch your video? How long did the average person watch your video? The video is like 10 minutes long, 11 minutes long almost. That means the average duration was 3 minutes, 25 seconds. That's really important for monetization. Because why is it important? It's important because the longer you keep people on YouTube and watching that video, the higher you will get paid. The longer you keep people on that video, the higher you will get paid. And not just for you, it's for YouTube also. The longer people watch your video, the more money YouTube makes. And the more money you make, the more money they make, the more money that you make. So as long as you keep them on as long as possible, that's a win-win for you and YouTube. But like I said, I'm not going to keep you too long. I just wanted to give you the backdrop on all those things because the revenue for this week, the first week I got monetized, is all because of the audience. Returning viewers is 1,600 people came back to watch that video. That's a returning viewer. A returning viewer is viewers that have been watching your other videos and they came back to watch a new video. 1,600 people came back to watch this video. 1,600 people came back to watch this video. And now you're saying, what's a unique viewer? A unique viewer is somebody, like I said, estimated number of people that watch your content within the selected date range. 8,600 people. 8,600 people, unique people. They might never even heard of me before. Out of the 124,000 impressions, 8,600 people took a chance to watch it. That doesn't mean it blows my mind. And during that week period, I got 205 subscribers. See? 205 subscribers during that week from February 23rd to March 3rd. I'm breaking this down for you so you know what you can expect once you get monetized and what YouTube will pay you for 8,000 viewers, 8,000 views. I just want you to know what you can expect because a lot of people out here telling you one thing. You get monetized in one video, you get monetized in one day, 1 week, 2 weeks. But there's so much things that you have to do once you get monetized. If you want me to let you know what you have to do after you get monetized so you can have a good expectation, because whatever you expect, that's what you're going to receive. So if you want me to let you in on the back story and the back end of what happens after you get monetized, type in the comment section. Because I want to help you grow your channel. And by helping you grow your channel, you're going to grow your life. Type in the comment section, hashtag help. Hashtag help. So now, here's the revenue from this YouTube monetization for the first week. As you see, it's only $26. $26. Why is it $26? It's the first week. Why is it $26? Only got 8,400 views. You saying that ain't a lot of money. Yes, it's a lot of money. Why? Because it's only the first week. That's from one video. It's only the first week. I'm emphasizing the first week that I've been monetized from that video. Now, for those of you saying it's only $26.07, that's $26.07 added to this stream of income. If you don't realize it, this is a stream of income. If you don't realize it, this is another stream of, I'm going to say it again for the people in the back who can't hear. This is another stream of income that didn't exist before. Before I started 5 months ago, this stream didn't exist. Why? Because I made in my mind, I want to be monetized on YouTube. What do you have to do to get monetized on YouTube? I got to make videos. I made one video a day for 30 days. It wasn't working. So what did I do? I saw other people doing things to increase their viewers, to increase their presence on YouTube. So I made 2 to 3 videos a day for 30 days. And my channel started growing. I made 2 to 3 videos. I know it was hard, but I said I got to do the hard thing so it can get easy. That's why I was making 2 to 3 videos a day. I didn't want to make videos one day. I didn't want to make videos in 2 days. I said, I'm going to make all these videos and post them up. If they get views, they get views. They don't get views, they don't get views. I got a video that got 17,000 views. I wasn't monetized. I got a video that got 9,000 views. I wasn't monetized at the time. But those videos taught me things that I couldn't not have learned if I didn't post those videos. That's why I tell people on this YouTube content creator's journey, you got to build that muscle on this journey. How do you build a muscle? You got to build that muscle by doing those things that content creators do. Don't tell me you're a content creator and you don't make videos. Don't tell me you're a content creator and you tell me, oh man, I want to make a video and release one video a week. No. In my time community, we make our videos daily because we're building that muscle. And when monetization comes, we keep on making those videos. Why? Because we built that muscle because we're strong. Hashtag strong. If you're going to keep making those videos like you made those videos, preparing to be monetization. Because being monetized is just a byproduct of you sharing your message. And if you're going to share that message, monetization is going to come faster than you can ever imagine. Like I said, $26.07. $26.07. Is that more than you made on YouTube? If it's more than you made on YouTube, don't despise small beginnings, because $26.07 is $26.07 more than you had before you even started YouTube. So that's the end of the training. I just wanted to let you know on how much you can get paid from YouTube once you get monetized and have 8,000 views. That's how much I got from 8,000 views the first week of being monetized. I hope this video has been a real help for you. And if you like the video, type it in the comment section, let me know. And if you want more videos on these type of trainings, or not just monetization, but just how to grow your channel, because at my time community, we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And if you grow your life, your channel got no other reason not to grow. That's how we rock in the My Time community. So don't forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, press the bell and have all notifications on. Because I want you to get all this information, because I got monetized in 5 months. And if I get monetized in 5 months, you can get monetized in 5 months. So like I tell everybody, this is my life, this is my experience, this is my time. I'll see you in the next video.